welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews, brought to you by hollywoodfrodo.com. I'm Eric, and today I'm reviewing something a little bit different. This is a Blu-ray, but no, I'm not doing a movie review. This is still a product review because this is a very unique Christmas product. If you know me, you know I love Christmas, and this is it's a Blu-ray video or DVD, you can get it on DVD, to be played in the background. Basically, like if you're having a party or having people over, you can put this on your TV, and it has just light Christmas jazz music, along with various Christmas light scenes from different houses and neighborhoods, snowy scenes, very simple, very beautiful, but works really well. Great for having it on in the background. One thing that's really cool about it is once you play it, once you push play, it just loops continuously. So it never ends. There's not really a start or a finish. Once you play, I mean, it does obviously start when you push play, but after that it just keeps going continuously until you stop it, which is, you know, pretty cool. So what I want to do is I want you to be able to see a couple of scenes from it and hear some of the music, so you'll know kind of like what it sounds like, the type of light music that is on it, as well as the different types of visual scenes. So let's jump over so you can see that. So you can see it's great background music. I mean, that's what it's intended for, to just have it playing on your TV. You know, you're having a party, Christmas party, or you're having people over for dinner. You don't want anything that's going to be loud or obnoxious or distract from people talking or playing games or whatever you're doing. It's just background, and this provides really beautiful background Christmas scenery as well as great music, and it's a very light, sort of jazzy type of Christmas music, so it's not disturbing or distracting in any way. So it's called Christmas Lights 3, and that's 3 because there are 2 other ones before it. This particular one is the most recent one. It is available in high def on Blu-ray, as you can see, which is what I have, but you can also get it on DVD if you have a DVD player. And these are available on Amazon, so I will have a link in the description below to the product on Amazon. You can click that link, you can jump over to Amazon, you can read what other people have said about it, and you can maybe pick one up for yourself. Anyway, that's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in this product, especially someone who's very Christmassy or has a lot of Christmas gatherings, then please share this video with them. All those ways are down there. If you have any questions, something I didn't cover, just post it in the comment section below. I'll do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. And don't forget to favorite this playlist to keep up with future product reviews, or subscribe to my channel to keep up with all my videos. Anyway, that's going to be it until next time, so have a great day.